This is from the CEO of Zollo Bitters. Share this video.
Yeah. Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. Depending where you are watching me at the time you will come across this video. And I'm also pleading, begging that anytime you come across this video, please try to share it. To Saram Dozi, this video because this message is coming from me directly to everyone whom it may concern. Zollo Bitters is a new product in the market. We are no longer selling Zollo Bitters to people who are not into drink business before now. I am not going to see anybody whosoever due to the problems and the disturbance we are having both in the past and now. We are not giving, if you know that you want Zollo Bitters and you are not into drink business, yeah, another beverages business, that's bitters and all this wine and business. Don't come asking for Zollo Bitters we won't give you. Just note that today, one of our one of the things is make it to be qualified to be our distributor. What that na ige nwerere eba na might before my customers base who will buy from you, who will come to buy from you. Otherwise, you're going to need 100 million, 200 million, 1 billion. Don't come to buy from us. Zollo Bitters won't attend to you. Okay, Prof Global, please chat him inbox so that after this broadcast, I'll be able to reach you. Biko, just a quick one. I jump can video carrier 2 to 3 minutes. I repeat again. Yawone man not into mine of any kind. Swine, any. Sorry, call came in. You beef the corner. Sorry, anime when network issue from here. Yawone man, you know into beverages. You know into wine. You know into drink. Now you want a big jimage shop either in Maya or outside in Maya. Please don't bother coming to us to come and buy from us. We are begging you this for the sake of Christ. Please, I beg. If you know you want to be our distributor, you want to be our marketer, you want to work with us when it comes to selling our drink. If you are not into drink, if you are not into beverages before now.
Okay. I need to explain to you people the essence of this notice now, Akuzayo Nyelu. The essence of this notice, Akuzayo Nyelu, is that, of course, we all know that Zollo Bitters is a new product in the market. And as somebody unable into marketing of drinks, you may find it difficult to find who to sell to, who to buy from you. But only if somebody know already into marketing of drinks, it will be more easier for you to communicate to your buyers to come and buy that product. It will be easier for you to convince people to buy that product because you already have customers. You already have those who can buy from you. But somebody who just funa the manya, ebuputago the manya na afia, do the manya siwedo, manya. You may have it difficult. You may have difficulty in looking for who to sell that drinks to, especially in large quantities. Except now somebody decided, okay, I want to use this mania to check out my marketing strategy. Then a man equal blue mania no, he uses the mania. Where shows the end go mania? Because you starting the marketing of drinks with zero bitters means you are more like that person who has started business newly. Except now other people where that drink has become just like into a, but it will still be difficult for people to locate you. But although very easy for somebody who is into the marketing of drinks to market that drink and sell it to people. You ought to go, except in the area where that drink in high demand. That is when you can be able to fit into the market. So this message, I have just dismantled this message in just this thing. You will got exactly where is going, so that you cannot inject more money, bloom mania, when you know this is more like somebody bidolisi restaurant or for money. Of course, you have to start looking for customers. You must have to get somebody to come and buy that food to eat it before that person amalo non atoto. I don't know if I'm making sense. Or only bidolelo bread. No matter how sweet that your bread is, you must have your tentacles spread for people. You must have to start first, drawing people to come and test that bread. And in the matter one where they test your bread, do more easier to sell other bread. Whether on atozuto or under atoto, people can easily buy that bread using already satisfaction from buying your product. So God very easy. You will decide here to start the sale of drink with zero bitters. You must have to exercise patience. That is why the company in USA, they don't want to sell to people again who are trying to use it to start up the marketing of drinks. That they will henceforth start selling to people who are already in the market, who are already selling drinks, so that it will be easier for them to engage their already established customers. I still remain Ezugo, Otimpu Zion, Otimpu Ako Zion, and Ofonye Newi Ademeko Nye Newi. Dalam.